Hey everybody, welcome to Pop Does the Long Arm. I think this is episode 4. We're going to be, I know it's been a while, so hopefully you've had a chance to do some practicing. Unfortunately, with us being sick, I didn't get a whole lot of chance, but we're going to do something interesting today anyway. So I think today we're going to work on something that I like to call an olive. So what it is a circle inside of a circle with the bottoms of the two circles meeting. And what this does is allows you to control how you're moving your arms, your body, and making sure that you're focused on how your machine is moving. So without too much preamble, let's get into this. Yes, we're all feeling better here now. So thankfully it's been a little bit of an exercise getting better, but I'm just gonna bring up the bobbin, and yeah, so not been a great couple of weeks for us, but it's much better now. So hope you enjoyed the last couple of live streams we did. Definitely an interesting live stream yesterday, getting all of the new equipment unboxed. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to keep the shape of the circles and everything as consistent as possible. The top one is a little bit less of a circle and more of an oval. And I'm just going to move across here and up. And again, this would be decent in a border. And as you get better at it, you'll notice I'm not giving myself enough space. Give myself some more space. And more of what it's supposed to look like. And yes, you can mark this out. So now we're going to start and come down here and do the opposite direction. I find that it helps to slow down a bit when you're coming down and starting a new direction, just so that you can orient yourself about how you want to do it. A little bit of practice, things get a little bit better. That wasn't a circle, that was a square. And this is more about fine control. Making circles is not easy. At least to make them consistent is not easy. But you just gotta keep working at it. So we come down here and go around the corner as if we were doing a border. Working through the olives here. Not my favorite fruit, but hey, they look like olives, sort of. This really does get the... We're going to do something a little different this time. Sometimes my brain goes in a different direction. So we all have those days. And you come up and around. Paying attention to where you're going to meet up at the top. Almost to the top here. And we can stop there. And we'll bring up the bobbin thread, and we're going to do another round around the inside, just to keep practicing, right? Missed that one. Okay, so let's start over here again. This time we're going to bring up the bobbin again. About here. And this is all about the practice, so getting used to, assuming we can get the bobbin up, there we go. This is all about getting used to how the movement is, more than anything. And this time I'm going to go up the opposite way. And this, by doing this, you're actually building the opposite set of muscles. So your body is getting used to going any direction. And as you can see, it's just as hard or harder to go opposite to what your natural motion is. But the more you practice going the opposite direction, the better at it you're going to get. And a little one there, we're going to come up and curl this way. Work through the olives. Hopefully there'll be some left in the jar for everybody else. Remember, practice isn't about doing everything right. It's about being able to look at your mistakes and working on how you can get through and fixing them, and each always looking forward, not looking behind. Oops, did that one on the wrong side. Let's do this. I think we got it this time. Oh. So I know here that going down in this direction is not my strong direction. So I'm going to have to practice that more. We're almost done here. One more on this side. to the end. A little low that time. But hey, it's all about practicing and having fun. And there we go. So thanks very much for watching. We're going to leave it here right now, but we're going to keep practicing, and we're going to make some more circles, we'll make some more other things, and hopefully you enjoyed this video, and we're going to continue to make these over the next couple of months, and hopefully we can see if I can get good enough to actually work on something real. So have a great time. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, and check us out on Patreon. And I think the links will be down in the description. So have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you soon.